Today I'm looking at an item that the company did send to me and did compensate me to make a review and show you a little bit about what's in this awesome kit. This is a 47-piece car cover set for your vehicle. All kinds of bling, all kinds of fun stuff. I'm going to show you a little bit about everything. There's so many different colors available on their site. Definitely take a look at everything. Everything is all decent quality, I have to tell you. Really cool. So if you're looking to bling out your car or just really personalize it with your own personality, that's definitely the way to go. This is purple. This is what this one is. So I'll tell you exactly what's in this specific kit. This is a steering wheel cover for your steering wheel. Okay, that's what this is. Really fluffy and soft. Again, nice quality. And inside here, if you look inside, it's got a good gripping feature here, so it grabs onto your steering wheel. That's really important. So you can just see how it stretches out. So it'll fit any steering wheel, no problem. You can just see that. Again, all fluffy, especially for those cold mornings. You don't have to worry about a cold car steering wheel. That's really cool. I like that. That's really nice. These are seatbelt covers that goes over your seatbelt, so it goes across your chest. Again, adds more flair, more color to your car. That's what this is for. You get 2 of those for the front passengers. You get 2 of those. Those will slip onto your seatbelt. Again, easy to install. You just slide it right through, right here. And that's how you install these. Put these to the side. Now, these are really cool. These are steering wheel. Not steering wheel. These are shifter covers when you're shifting your car into gear. And we have 2 different ones. So if you have different shifters that you have, either a long shifter or a short ball shifter, that's why they give you 2 different ones. You can use them in different applications if you want to, but that's what these are for. So you put them on your shifter ball, you shift your vehicle, and that's where you have 2 different sizes. If you have a long shifter or just a ball shifter, that's what these are. Put those to the side. Now there's some other cool accessories they give you as well, which I thought was very interesting. These are for your cup holders. You know, you have inside your cups. These are like little coasters that sit inside your cup well. That way it protects it and also adds a lot of color. Again, this sits inside the front of your car. They also give you these really cool, I like these actually, I find these actually really interesting. There's 4 of these and they have a lot of bling to them. You can see how they all blingy, how they all, the crystals all around them, the bling. Really cool. These are really fun. They just pop onto your door locks and you got 4 of those. So 4 of those will be on your door locks. I like that. Here's another item. They give you 2 of these. This is a push button. If you have a push button vehicle, they give you some bling. These are all little crystals that go around that. And this is the adhesive. And you put the adhesive on where you want, and then you put it where your start button is, and you press it, and it adds a little bling around that as well. Again, all different color, different coordination colors, all kind of match the theme that you're looking for. This is the purple set. They give you 2 of those. These are all for the vents. These just pop on the vents. And I got some cutaways here to show you a little bit at the same time so you can see those cutaways. These go on your vents, your air vents, air and heating vents. Add more bling across the vents. Here is some striping that you can add to give you a little spatula to actually put those on. Those are on there as well. And here's all purple. And again, all color coordinated. Each one of those as you need, and each kit offers that. Again, there's a lot here. There's a lot of material here. I thought this was really fun. Little disco ball kind of chain with the little pom-poms hanging down. Again, purple. Fun. You can see that's really cool. I like that. It's got a nice little chain. Again, all high quality stuff here. And I'll show you another thing. They give you a lot of stuff here for the money. Honestly, you get so much stuff. So let's put this to the side and I'll show you a couple other things they give you as well. They give you front seat covers. Okay, these are the front seat covers, and they give you back seat covers. You get 4, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. So you get 4 of those. Okay, you get headrests for your headrest. You get everything. You get so many things with this kit. It's like it's endless. So you get here's the front headrest, okay, and here they got the plain black for the back of the headrest. They give you 3 of those if you have a 3-seater. There's so much stuff here. You can just see it goes on and on and on. Really nice quality. And the last thing they give you is a set of floor mats. Now here are the floor mats here. You can see how the purple runs across them. This is for the front. You can see that, how nice and big this is. Again, good quality. This will flatten out over time. They just come shipped like this. They're folded underneath in the back. They have little grips in the back, so it holds on to the carpeting you have in there already, your car fabric. It'll hold on to it so it won't slide. And you can just see the color on that. Really cool. I love this striping too. Really interesting. You can see in the cutaways as I'm showing you how they look on the vehicle. And also, the last thing they give you is the back seat. So you got the front seat, the back seat. You got everything covered, soup to nuts. They give you the clips. They give you the instruction manual. They give you everything all in this kit. Everything is in here. It's an absolutely fantastic value. I'm very impressed. I mean, super fluffy, super soft. And if you're looking to bling out your car and add your own personality, I'm definitely going to go ahead and recommend. I do get a small commission, as you do know. It does help support this channel. I do appreciate that. It costs you nothing. It does help support me. And if you enjoyed this type of content, if you enjoy this review, don't forget to follow the channel for more videos just like this to educate and learn, until you can learn and get motivated and inspired to buy certain things like this, so you know what they look like. And I give you my opinion. It's actually a really good value for what you get. You get a lot here for not a lot of money. I think it's actually a really good value if you're looking to personalize your vehicle. All right, guys, that's what I have. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you at the next review. There'll be links all around the purchase item as well. Go ahead and purchase it if you're interested. Thanks for watching.